Hello, in this movie I will set up the new MG3600 series to the Wi-Fi network. Run Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app and start by adding printers. This video is based on cableless setup instructions from the Canon web manuals. So here is the Wi-Fi setup tutorial for MG3600 series. The copy function is new in the app from the latest upgrade, and you can use it to copy with the devices with no LCD screen. But before you can start copying, you have to enter the password, which is the same as the serial number of your device. See on the video where to find the serial number. And in the last part of the video I will show you how to print out the network settings. The network configuration page has been printed, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!